Good morning. For week 25 on Monday and Tuesday, you're going to complete attendance, and then you're going to read the text Body Rituals Among the Nakarima by Horace Minor. There are some before, during, and after reading questions on a Jamboard. So you will be gaining an understanding of the Nakarima tribe, identifying the 3 most surprising rituals, and what additional information would help provide a full picture of their tribe. Just for some background information, who are the Nakarima? They're a tribe still living in North America. They were studied by Horace Minor, an anthropologist who went into their community to learn about them. He wrote Body Rituals Among the Nakarima in 1956 based on his observations of the tribe. Just so you're aware, when you go to open the article, it's a little difficult to read at parts, and that's because his essay is written as an ethnography, which is a scientific description of customs of individual people and cultures. So it's meant to be just kind of observation-based. If you've read about them before, please keep additional information to yourself until the end, because they are studied in the lower levels sometimes, and maybe even in some of your other classes. So what you're going to do is open up the Jamboard, depending on your class, before reading. You can see each class already did it. You're just going to answer the before reading question, which is, what are some rituals or routines you take part in on a daily basis? Once you finish that, you will go to the week 25 module and open the document Body Rituals Among the Nakarima. You can open this up in its own tab while you listen. So during reading, and there is, if you're absent, there is a full text audio, so you can listen along if you don't want to read on your own. You'll listen to the full text, and while you listen, you'll highlight the 3 most surprising rituals of the Nakarima. So it's called Body Ritual Among the Nakarima. It kind of talks about how they're into these different rituals that are associated with their bodies, and you're just going to highlight any that you think are surprising, interesting, whatever the case might be. The reading itself is kind of fast, so pause if you need to. It's about 11 minutes. When you finish, make sure you have your 3 highlights completed, and then you're going to complete the after reading questions. So you'll go back to the Jamboard, and you'll complete slides 2, 3, 4, and 5. And make sure that you put your name on each of them so that you get credit. You can do it. Most people chose to do it as a post-it. All right, and that's it for Monday, Tuesday class. For Wednesday, Thursday class, there are after reading questions. So you'll find evidence to show how Minor uses language and body rituals in the Nakarima to make everyday rituals seem foreign. You'll reflect on the impact of our perception of other cultures and the perceptions others have on our cultural rituals. And you'll develop a central idea or lesson of the text, Body Rituals of the Nakarima. Reminder that there is no class Monday the 15th. That's an AC day. The only other thing I need to say is if you are absent Thursday the 11th or Friday the 12th, you'll need to come back to the slides. They will be updated because there's information about the Nakarima that will be shown in those slides that I've hidden right now because I'm not showing them until the actual class. So come back after the missed class, after Friday, and you'll be able to look at the week 25 slideshow, and there will be another perspective on the Nakarima from a YouTube clip, and that'll help you with those final questions. In Module 25, the final questions are the Nakarima reflection questions, so you'll open that up and complete each question in a complete sentence, making sure that you use textual evidence from Body Rituals Among the Nakarima when prompted. Have a great weekend.